can read. Okay, that's great. You can read my title there. So I want just to I have to set something. This one. It's not working. That's great.
I can skip the slides if you want.
Okay, that's great. So you can learn a little bit about Consiglio Nazionale delle Ricerche, that is the largest research center institution in Italy. We are 100 years old, last year's centenary, and we are more than 80,000 people. So half of them are researchers like me and my colleagues. And I am a chemist, as you told, and this work is a collaboration between chemist, physics, and material science. And our mission is to carry out the great research we can find. And but another point is to promote and disseminate the research activity. And this is why I'm here. And we focus on school, because we believe that school is a great way to engage people with science, and because we can reach also not only students, but also teachers. And teachers, as we learned in the other sessions, are our best friends to engage people, students, and also we can reach the parents. So people that is not listening to science for a lot of time because they finish to listen to science in high school. So this is our project, and we are focused on games, games for children, but also for high school students. And we are also focused on teaching teachers, not teaching teachers, but interact with teachers, and this is our group. This is a project funded by CNR, and this is people from all of Italy. You can also learn about our game, about history game. By from Genoa. And let's move to my task. My task is to use robotics and put the robotics together with the sustainability. It is the idea is to have connected with the European Green Deal and obviously the Agenda 2030. Because we know that robotics are very nice way to engage students. So we also put together real world challenges to them. What is our idea? Is to start on what we are doing in two institutes, one in Florence and the other in Valencia. My institute is on organometallic chemistry, so we are working also with plastics, with metals that are doing plastics, obviously, or are trying to destroy plastics in that way. And in ceramic and material science, they are used materials. In this case, they are about mosaic tiles that they use in cultural heritage to repair and to change. So having this in mind, our tools, we decide to use this satellite educational extension that is the most basic. We have just two boards in the add, one for the motor and one for the color sensor. Why we did this choice? Because we not the more the money is more or less the same, but we can use this for also for elementary school and junior school. So it can be, if we are able to go to build the pathway for the high school, we can use also for the other. Obviously, changing the topics and our structure for our intervention is very simple. We start from the definition to planning, implementation, and at the end, the students, the high school students, have to present their work on public event. And I will go through this structure just to start from the beginning. And what we did is more or less at the beginning, we have to explain them what they are going to do. Sorry, this is in Italian because they are students. And so we start to speak about HDP, polyethylene at high density, and this is in Florence. And while in France, they start to explain about cultural heritage, material science, and so on. And we present the problem. What's the problem? If you take HDPA is a very fantastic plastic because to recycle it, you just have to melt it. But what is the problem if you melt all the colors from the cups together? You have these nice things, but has less value than a plastic that has one color. So we asked our students that was in our laboratory for 2 or 3 weeks to just to think about this problem. And at the same time, these are mosaic tiles that you can buy in bags, and they can all the colors. So the idea was take just one color and sort it there. And how we can sort? So we will see with the robotic. And so at the end, we go to the lab, and also the students have some laboratory work. Also, they make X-ray diffraction of the plastic, the HDPA, and also they starting to work on how to make the sorting and on France. They go to the cultural heritage laboratory. They have a lot of fun to use this hammer that is called the Martellina, and it's used to cut the tiles. And they also go to the electricization laboratory to study sensor and so on. It was a part of our network, just not the robotics, but also they have to share what the researchers are doing in the lab. So this is our model, and at the end they came out with this structure. This is here. I am here. This is Bruno, that is here in the audience, and this is also Pietro. This is from science, the guy. And the nice thing that is at the end we arrived to that program, a very simple one. So we thought that also other students, not high school students, but also in the other kind of things. And the idea of this, here you have a sample sensor. They sensor for instance, if it's red, with the other. This is the most simple way to do it. If you want the other color, just change this. And this is obviously was the last version, but as you can see, there is this robotics using this stuff is very interesting. How people are writing science. And I want to show the actual work, but I hope I can. You can help me. This one, no. Yeah. Is the number one. Wait again, because we tried before and it worked perfectly. So you can imagine. So maybe I will show you on my cellular phone. Go on. I like this stuff. So, okay, we have to close something else. And so here instead, starting from our robot, how they change the robot, the other two groups. See, they use a very different approach because they have a problem. The cats are very good. They are all the same, but with the tails they change a little bit, so they cannot use the same approach we use. And they, at the end, eventually, they came up with two different approach. And you can guess, I think, which was the one from the female group and the one from the male students. And this is what I think. But this is another thing that is how you can ask me. But I was very impressed. Okay, and the thing was that on how they created their code. Yeah, it was more or less. Other prominent was able not to sort just one color, but three, because they here they can go in 4 different ways. So three were the three colors, and the first was the other one. So it was very smart. And at the end, they prepare as reporting the results, they prepare the extraction. And we publish on Zenodo just to have all available for other people. And this is the presentation as a public event. We share the robots during a Skype call at the end of the stage time. And every year, with our group of CNR, we have a national meeting of students, and our student was involved in teaching other students how to build a robot. And it was very funny because it's very funny to see how they interact with peers. And at the end, some conclusion about it. So it was very proud to implement the pathway that would also close to our research interest. And we have done something else, that we have a pathway that we can use on other school levels. And we are very proud that we can put together robotics and sustainability. That is, I think, is very interesting. That is a way that young people has to meet. I have to thank everybody for your attention and if there are questions, I hope I am in time.
You are in time, perfect. So we have